Why a digital marketing major? Why now? The world is digital. There's nothing that you do in business at all that doesn't involve some sort of digital strategy, and that's particularly true about marketing. We launched a digital marketing minor not that long ago, and it's just taken off. That told us that there's a real demand for this, there's a real need, and we're happy to pursue that. As a liberal arts college, we want to make sure that we are graduating well-rounded people. You can't be successful as a digital marketing person if you don't understand the goals of the organization and the goals of the other leaders in the organization. And so the way that we've created this curriculum is specifically to make sure that our graduates are ready for that right out of the box. Marketing is absolutely essential to any business. You can make the best product in the world and you can have the best service in the world, but if people don't know about it, well, that's not going to do any good. Now, of course, in this world that we're in, digital marketing is marketing. You can't do anything without digital marketing. And so we really believe that the folks that graduate from this program are going to have a really good handle on the things that are the utter foundation of the businesses and the organizations that they're working at. In order to be successful, you need to be able to do more than just move shapes around on a page or pick out colors. We believe that the combination of a very strong liberal arts underpinning plus a solid, well-rounded business education in conjunction with the knowledge of these digital marketing toolkits makes for some pretty dynamite employees.